Okay, here is funny sounds using your hand, your face, and your mouth. La la la. Okay, first, do this. Just make a little ball in your hand, kind of like that. Not a ball, but to where you can see through it. And just say girl, girl. Okay? Girl. Just put it up to your mouth and say girl. Okay? But to make it louder, you might want to close it up a little bit like that. Or even like that. So, this is how it sounds. Yeah, see? You just use it from the bottom of your throat. Okay? You just go like, it's not, no, it's not really that hard, but it takes a little time to do to get the hang of it. Okay, and next is this sound. You might want to lick your thumb, wet it right here, and just push down kind of hard on your cheek, and then just go like that. It'll make this sound.
I didn't get gold.
It's really fun doing it in class because the teacher doesn't know who it is. See, it's kind of fun.
Here it is.
See? It's really fun annoying your teacher and your classmates doing that. As you see, I do it all the time. So, yeah, it's really fun. Alright, see ya.